Hey you guys, so today I am going to attempt to do a crochet video. This is my first crochet video ever, so I pray that it turns out okay. I hope you guys can see everything. So let's go ahead and just jump in. So today we're going to be using the Red Heart Super Saver, and this is in pink camo. I love this color, it's really pretty. And you will also need some bangles of some sort. Bangles, bracelets. I get mine from my local beauty supply store, but any place you can probably get them on Amazon, eBay, wherever. You will need some ear wire hooks, okay? You will also need 2 jump rings. You will need a pair of scissors. You will need flat nose pliers, and then of course you will need your hook. Today I am using an H hook, which is a 5.0 hook. Okay, so go ahead and let's get started. Just gonna unravel a little bit here, and I'm gonna push these off to the side because we're not gonna need them right now. So what you're gonna do first, this is definitely not a it's a beginner, but not a beginner. You definitely already have to know how to crochet. So we're gonna start off by doing a magic circle, and then you're gonna crochet 12 single crochet in that magic circle. I chain up 1 just to secure it, but that does not count as my 1 single crochet, okay? So again, we're just gonna do 12 single crochet all the way around. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whoops, 10, and I am crocheting over my tail. You don't have to, you can definitely sew yours in at the end if you want. 11 and 12, and then we're just going to pull that tail to close the circle. Pull my yarn over this way. Okay, so we're going to just pull it to tighten it off, and then we're going to slip stitch in that first single crochet. I'm so nervous, you guys. And then you're going to chain up 1, and in that same stitch you're going to do 2 single crochet. You're actually going to do 2 single crochet in every stitch all the way around, which will make a total of 24 stitches. So 2 single crochet in each chain all the way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, my yarn's getting tangled. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. Then again, you're going to slip stitch in that first chain. and then you're going to chain 1. And now we're going to do 1 single crochet in that same stitch you slipped. So we're going to do 1 single crochet in that one. Actually, I think we're going to do, yeah, we're going to do 1 single crochet all the way around. Okay, so another 24 stitches of 1 single crochet all the way around. So we've done our 24 stitches. Again, we're going to slip stitch in that first stitch. Okay. All right. Oops, I got too much. I hate when my yarn starts to come apart, just like that one just did. But that's okay, because we'll be able to hide it. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and we're going to take one of the bangles, and if you just put your earring or the earring inside the bangle, you'll see you want your earring to be smaller than the bangle, okay? Because if we had it to where it reached all the way on the inside, it would be big and it would be kind of wavy. It wouldn't fit the hoop, okay? So what we're gonna do is now, I'm gonna try to explain it more, so show you, so watch how I do this. To attach this to this bangle, I put this hoop over top of the earring, and then I take my hook, stick it through my loop on here, and then this loop, as you can see, is on the inside of the hoop, okay? So I'm just gonna pull that, and so you see how this looks right now? I've got the earring on this side and then the tail going through the hoop, right? I'm just gonna stitch 1, which is just a single crochet, and that's what attaches it to the hoop. Very, very simple, okay? And after you attach that, it's really easy. Then we're just gonna do 2 single crochet in each stitch all the way around, working in the stitch, and I'll show you here in just a second. You're gonna be working in the stitch under the bangle, okay? So you go in your stitch under the bangle, bring up a loop, single crochet. And you're just gonna do this all the way around. You're gonna put 2 single crochet into each stitch all the way around, just crocheting over this bangle. And it'll start to get very tight, but that's okay, because that's what you want. You want it to start being tight, because that's kind of what stretches it and gives it that really nice tight fitting. Okay? Okay. So we're almost done. We've got a few more stitches left, and as you can see how it's starting to stretch, and it gives it just, I think it just gives it a really pretty look, like a really pretty finished look. And again, you just kind of want to move your stitches around so it stretches it out a little bit, because it will get tight, but don't worry about that. Just continue to crochet around the hoop, because it'll all work out in the end once you finish it. Have about 2 more stitches to go. Okay, and then you're going to slip stitch in that first chain. And there you go. Doesn't that look nice and neat? Really nice and neat. So to finish it off, you're just gonna take your scissors. Oh, you will also need a needle too. I'm sorry, I forgot to mention that, which I didn't even get mine out. So you will just need a needle. And we're just going to, I'm gonna pull this string through my hoop just to tie it off. And then I'm going to sew it in the back. And I just put mine back in through these loops, and I just run it through 4 or 5 loops like so. And then I pull it out the other end. And then I cut that excess off. I love these scissors. These came in a crochet kit that I got. It actually is this kit right here. I absolutely love it. I got this off of Amazon, and it came with all of this stuff in it. Well, it didn't come with these needles, but it came with all these stuff, and then it came, I have some like little stitch markers in here, and it came with this little gauge thing. It was really nice, and it was under $20. So I was like, yes, winning. So we're just gonna also put this in as well. Okay. So again, just gonna stitch through, sorry. Okay, and then you're gonna clip that off. And then the only thing you're gonna do, which is the last thing to do, is to simply add your jump ring. Now, the way I add my jump ring is I add it so it sits across like this. If you want it to position it like that, that's okay. It's just not going to, it's gonna turn when you wear your earrings. So this way, if you just put it on the top like this and kind of put it through the front, from front or from back to front. Does that make sense? From the back to the front. So it looks like that. And then you just add your ear wire onto it and then close your jump ring. And there you go. You have yourself a beautiful earring. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other earring very quick. I'm gonna finish it off camera, and then I'm gonna take a picture at the end and add it into the video. I really hope this was helpful for you guys. I hope that you guys were able to see everything and hear me clearly and understand. Please comment down below and let me know if this was a good video or if I just need to do something different. Please let me know. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any other types of videos you'd like me to do, again, comment down below and let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.